there?
Huh?
You alright?
Yeah, it's over there.
It's turning.
Huh?
It's RV. It's gonna hit this RV.
It's easier than I thought.
Not bad. We got her out of her hole. Tires are dragging. Close that door. All right, we got the old girl in the trailer. This strap holding the hood down. We got 2 straps up front. The rear brakes are fully locked up, so I'm not really worried about the rear. We had to freaking drag this thing, drag it up onto the trailer. These would not roll at all. However, this hole was down here, so we did get about a half a tire rotation to roll. So getting it off is gonna be interesting. We're pulling this thing off with the power of 1 screw, and that screw is getting a little sketchy, not gonna lie.
Stop! It's all, oh, the strap broke. You're like halfway off now.
My truck just made a crazy noise when I put it forward.
Really?
Did it like fling it all, or did it just kind of pop out easy?
It just popped out. To the side.
I gotta back up a little bit.
Okay.
Alright, we should be clear now.
That looks like it didn't do anything.
Huh?
That didn't look like it did anything.
Well, it was really tight, and then I backed the truck up.
Oh.
It was really tight on that clamp right there.
Okay. We had to move the gates up so that we could conceal our junkyard. Okay. You're getting there. Oh, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
Front tire's good too?
You're like halfway on. Yeah, you're good. Golden girl.
She's home. She's in her spot. Let's show the people how we got that thing off right there. So the back brakes are pretty much locked up. So I had this whole 6x6 from my old gate. Look how sketchy this is right here. It's like almost ready to pull. You see that? The screw. And we yanked her off.
Just trust the process.
With the rear brakes, I'm pretty sure completely locked up. I think they're rolling a little bit, but so low, huh? It's like the roof's,
Literally.
well, the roof's like almost level with the John boat. All right, guys, today's officially day one. We're gonna start working on this Fox Body Mustang here. Fired up about it. We got a long road ahead of us, but I think this will be a super fun car when I'm done with it, and rewarding. I've always wanted a car project since I was like 14 years old, and now we got one. We can start working on it. We're just gonna be doing teardown pretty much today. I'm gonna try and clean out the interior. I'm gonna try and figure out what's going on with the rear axle, why that's locked up, and tear out everything in the engine bay pretty much, because everything in there is old, needs to be replaced. Interior, it's all coming out. We got a bunch of ants in there that I gotta deal with, so I'm gonna start spraying something right now actually. Yeah, it's gonna get to work. All right, as you can tell by all the stuff on the ground here, we've made some progress. Inside of this thing's pretty nasty. Passenger seat, I couldn't get any of the bolts out. I'm gonna try heating them up and getting those out. The back seat out. Started to pull the headliner, and then that was just making more of a mess. So I was like, I'm gonna get the seats out, and then when everything's gutted, then we'll pull the headliner. We can vacuum all that stuff out. Got a panel off here. My tools are probably 500 degrees up there right now. Got the air intake off, window motor. Need to get the AC out, old brake booster out. And then we'll be looking at wanting to jack this thing up. You guys know how to get the fenders off? If you do, drop a comment. Can't get this bolt out. That one's stripped, but I got them all out on that side. I got two out on this side. It's definitely connected to the bumper, which I gotta figure out how to get off. So, all right, so you can tell by the mess in the yard, we've made pretty good progress. Not good, not great progress. The passenger seat, all four bolts are pretty seized up. So the next attempt there is to heat them and try and get them out that way. And then get the console out and get all this carpet out. It's freaking nasty in here. Got one door panel off. Engine bay, got the window motor out. Not a whole much else, but it's coming. Look at that little snake skin in here. There's definitely a snake living in my car at some point. Now that we got the back seat out, those snake eggs, what are those? Definitely had a freaking snake nest living in here. How nasty this thing is. But we got both seats out. Just found a cam in the trunk of the car. Guessing it's 5-liter cam. For sale, $300, great condition. Here's the trunk. Little hole right there, and then we got a hole right here, which I think maybe this used to go right here, but I'm not real worried about that because I plan on putting a fuel cell here anyways. Original fuel tank's gonna come out. I guess the car was originally green too. Drop a comment. What do you think? All right, so I think it's where we're gonna stop because it sounds like it's about to rain. We did find some rust in the floor, but the only place we really have a hole is right there. Right there. The rest feels pretty solid. Stomped through with my feet. I don't know, you Fox Body people. You know, I'm not trying to do a full restoration. I'm kind of doing like a race car type vibe on this thing. Is it too far gone? I don't think so. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think.